Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fry Brothers Fishing. I'm Trevor Fry, and today we're going to chase some fall smallmouth. I rigged up a 6 cents glide bait here. I'm pretty much going to guarantee fish. I know that might be too much confidence, but the river's beautiful. It's a beautiful day in the fall. The weather really doesn't get better than this in October, so I think we're probably going to get some spotted bass. I think we're definitely going to get some smallmouth bass, which is what I'm after. We'll see how it goes. Right at the boat. Right at the boat. Nice, buddy. Little smallmouth came in on the tail end of that. He's cold. That water must be chilly. They eat all kinds of stuff. This is only an 8-inch, 9-inch bass, 4.5, 5-inch lure. Thanks, buddy. Big baits catch just about everything. This isn't the biggest bait, but I actually like to downsize my glide baits a little bit for the smallmouth, just to get those extra bites. Because sometimes I do just go for numbers with smallmouth. It's fun. A little better smallmouth. He's peeling a little drag there. Yeah. Get my lens wet, buddy. There we go. He's chunky. He's not terribly long. Chunky fish. They're nice and cold. I love that. Picking up just an icy fish. Good hit. See if we can get another one. Next cast, doubling up. I love that. All right, on in. Little spot. Not the species we're looking for, but I'm not mad about it. Little guy. Still fat though. Look at that. Feeding up for fall. Off you go. Ooh, had a good swipe. There it is. That's got to be a smallie. Not a bad little fish. Another one. Alright, I'm going to head downstream. I'm going to rig up a paddle tail swim bait on the spinning reel and give that a shot, see if we can't target some of these larger smallmouth. So I've picked up the Kitech, the fat swingy impact. Nothing on the paddle tail yet. We're going to keep trying downstream. Ooh, good hit. Other one right at the boat. Easy, buddy. Little guy, but he hit really nice. Strong hit. Big wake. Oh. That was a better smallmouth. Hopefully they don't take you too far downstream, getting landed pretty quick here. Not bad at all. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching another episode of Fry Brothers Fishing. If you guys did enjoy watching, please comment, subscribe, and like, and we will see you guys soon.